Hey everyone, it's Jackie with Stain Foo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a urine stain from your carpet. Now this stain in particular is a urine spot that has been marinating on this carpet for over a year, and we didn't touch it or do anything to it when the puppy peed, just so that we can make a video for the future, which is now. So let me show you what you should do when you have an old pee stain or even a fresh pee stain. So what you'll need is, of course, your Stain Foo here and a couple of white towels or paper towels or a color fast towel, as long as it's not going to transfer any color to your carpet. A dull metal spoon like this, or an old spoon, something to agitate the carpet fibers with. And then something heavy like a big old book or paperweight or something like that. The first thing you'll want to do is grab your Stain Foo and shake it up. Make sure it's all shaken up. What we're going to do is just adjust the nozzle to a jet like that, and then just go ahead and make sure that you completely saturate it. I know this is like a terrible location where he ended up doing his business. I wish it wasn't at the edge of the carpet like this, but you know, it's really hard to control where animals go like that. With any pee stain like this, urine, poop, puke, you'll want to make sure that you get a decent amount of product in the carpeting. So notice that I put a decent amount in the carpeting. It's so that we can make sure that it's going to break down that bacteria and kill it, because it's the bacteria from the urine that makes it smell. So we're going to take our dull metal spoon or whatever agitator you have, and just making sure that the product is, you know, worked deep into the carpet fibers. Because like I said, the urine is deep in the carpet. I know, because it's been marinating in this piece for over a year. So we definitely want to make sure that it reaches deep down into the carpet fibers. So we're going to take our folded white towels like this, or you can use paper towels, but I am going to take a couple of folded towels, place it over my spot, and then weigh it down with something heavy like this book. And what's going to happen is that the urine is going to wick into the towels. Since we're dealing with probably a lot of liquid here, the urine is going to wick into the towels, and because it needs somewhere to go. That's why we weigh it down with towels, and weigh it down with book, brick, paperweight. But as long as it's weighed down, we're good. And we'll check back within a couple of hours. Okay, so it's been a bit, been quite a few hours, and we're just going to lift off our weight and check our towels, and whoa! If your spot is still just a little bit yellow, just repeat the steps. And that's how you clean a dog urine stain.